Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan berusaha untuk menampilkan video pre-teaching saya. Perkenalkan, nama saya adalah Neri Andi Setiawan. NIM saya adalah 2231 32706960 dan prodi saya adalah Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. Kelompoknya saya berasal dari kelompok C. Untuk basic competence di sini saya mengambil 3.3 yaitu membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dari unsur kebahasaan, beberapa tes khusus dalam bentuk undangan resmi dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait kegiatan sekolah atau tempat kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Outcome-nya adalah satu, peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks undangan resmi dengan baik. Peserta didik mampu mengklasifikasikan formal invitation letter dengan baik. Peserta didik dapat membandingkan perbedaan struktur dan unsur kebahasaan formal invitation letter dengan baik. Peserta didik dapat mengorganisasikan teks formal invitation letter dengan baik. Materinya adalah formal invitation letter. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Neri Andi Setiawan. Saya guru di SMA Negeri 1 Kandangan. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG Universitas Negeri Malang, jurusan Bahasa Inggris. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan menampilkan video peer teaching saya. Selamat menyaksikan.
Okay, everyone have can take a look to my slide.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my student. Before we going our lesson, let's us pray together. Okay. Who is the captain of this class?
Yayan, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mas Yayan. Can you help me to lead your friend to pray together? Mas Yayan?
Okay, please class. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Mas Yayan. Okay, class. Today we are going to discuss about our new material. First of all, before we start our lesson, I want to check your attendance for today. Who is absent today?
Complete one.
Complete one. Oh, okay, good, very good. Okay, class. Let's continue our lesson. In here, I have the picture. Okay. I want to ask you in this class, what do you think about this picture? Maybe Yayan, you have opinion, Yayan?
Wait, mister.
Okay, Yayan, we are waiting your answer, Yayan.
Oh.
Okay, what do you think about this picture?
Is it party?
Oh yeah, good. It's a party. Okay, it's a party. What about you, Yuda? What do you think about this picture? Is everyone in there in happy or in sad condition?
Happy.
Happy. Okay, good. What about you, Neneng? Can you give the opinion about this picture?
Okay, birthday.
Okay, birthday. Now I want to ask all of you in here, when you go to party, how do you can go there? Anyone can answer?
Diundang, sir.
Okay, diundang. Okay, diundang in English. Maybe anyone know diundang in English?
Invite.
Okay, good. Very good,
Invited.
Jayan. Okay, very good, Jayan. Invite. So in here, if you invite someone, so usually, what's the thing or what something do you will get from diundang by someone? Kamu biasanya
The
dapat apa?
letter.
Surat undangan.
Okay, what kind of the letter? What kind of the letter?
Invitation.
Undangan.
Day. Okay, very good. Excellent. Excellent answer. Yeah.
Tanya Pak tanya Mr.
Okay,
Neri.
okay, okay. You can ask.
Itu undangan kadang kan ada yang formal, ada yang tidak formal, Pak.
Yeah.
Gimana pendapat Bapak itu, Pak?
Okay, okay. In there are two kind of invitation. The first is formal invitation, and the second is informal invitation. We will discuss in here about the different. Yeah, yeah.
Oke, terima
Okay.
kasih, Pak.
Okay. Before we continue our lesson, let's me show about our basic competence for our teaching and learning today. Our basic competence is membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk undangan resmi dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait kegiatan sekolah atau tempat kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. It is our basic competence for our teaching and learning a process today. And for our learning outcome today is there are 4 learning outcomes. The first is peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur bahasaan dari teks undangan resmi dengan baik. The second one, peserta didik dapat mengklasifikasikan formal invitation letter dengan baik. The third, peserta didik dapat membandingkan perbedaan struktur dan unsur bahasaan formal invitation letter dengan baik. And the last, peserta didik dapat mengorganisasikan teks formal invitation letter dengan baik. Okay, now what will you do? Now I will divide this class into a group. So all of you in here will work in a group. Okay, I will divide into 6 groups. So each group consists of 5 until 6 students. Okay, please, I have the list of the member in the group. So you should to suitable your group. I mean, you should to visit your group. You should to visit your group. You should to grouping in your group based on the name that I have list. Okay. Have any question about the grouping?
No,
Any
sir.
question?
No, sir.
Have clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Have been clear? Okay, good. A very good class. Okay. For the next activity, okay, please. It is for the activity 1 in here. Your task in a group, please observe this tag. You have 10 minutes to observe this tag. And what is your task? You please take a notes about some information in this tag. Okay, I have you have 10 minutes from me to observe this tag with your friend in a group. Okay. Okay, pre-memory. Okay, next about this tag. I want to ask this question to your group. Okay, from group 1. Group 1, I want to ask to Yuda. Okay, Yuda. What kind of tag is it, Yuda? Yuda, do you listen me? Do you follow me?
Yuda ke toilet, Pak.
Okay. Maybe Puput from Puput groups. Maybe can help me. What kind of the tag is it?
Wedding invitation.
Okay, good, correct. Excellent answer. Okay, it is the kind of the invitation letter. Okay, Daddy, do you hear me, Daddy?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Can you mention some information in there? Beside about invitation letter, beside what Puput say, another information maybe you can say. Except
About
yeah.
the time, sir. Time.
Okay. Okay, time. Can you mention about the time in here? What time?
Saturday, sir. Saturday, 19 August.
Okay, Saturday I think it's not time. Saturday is day.
Oh iya, Pak.
Day.
3
Okay,
p.m.
good. It's a very good. Okay. Next, and then anything else, maybe the information you can take or you can quote from this invitation. Daddy,
Ya, ya, Pak. Ya, Pak.
okay? No,
Oke, oke.
to answer.
Sir?
Itu Pak yang dibawa sendiri itu apa namanya Pak?
Okay, okay. Kindly reply using this enclosed card is kind of the request to respond. Is the request to respond. It is request to respond, Yayan. Okay, Yayan, maybe you have another another information in this invitation letter.
Time?
Okay, good. Time. I think Daddy have shared about the time. Maybe you can say another information except the kind of the text, invitation, and about and then about the
Event,
request. Yeah, pardon.
The place.
Okay,
event yang
good.
berbeda Pak.
Okay, good. Can you mention about the place? Where is the place about this event?
Hyatt, the Park Hyatt,
Okay.
Sydney.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, good. So in here, I will just want to review about this attack. It is kind of the invitation letter in here, and then please, all of you in here, please take a look and more detail about this deck. So if we observe carefully in there, there are the first, the Baron and Petrov families. It is there are components, some component in the invitation letter. We can start from the Baron and Petrov families in the invitation. They the component in the invitation, they include in the inviter. Inviter in Indonesia orang yang mengundang. And then request the honor of your presence at the marriage of Francis Baron and Alexander Petrol include in the occasion, ya, kind of the event or occasion. Artinya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia, kalau ini adalah acaranya apa. And below the occasion, there are Saturday, 19 August 2017 at 3 p.m. In the accompaniment include in a day, yeah, day and time. Yeah. Saint Joseph Chapel, 24 Wilson Lane, Sydney is included in the place, ya, tempat, if in Indonesia, and followed by a formal registration at 6 p.m. at the Park Hyatt, Sydney, 7 Dixon Road, Roots, is in the component of the event leisure include in special instruction. So jadi kalau yang followed by formal relation itu biasanya adalah permintaan yang khusus. Jadi tidak semuanya invitation letter itu ada, ya. Tapi biasanya juga diletakkan di sana. So is there exception? If you want to make invitation and you want to include it, is okay. If you didn't want to include it, is also okay. And currently by using this enclosed card is part of the request to respond. Usually, we can well know about RSVP. Okay, RSVP. Okay, after we observe this deck, maybe some of you have question about this in activity 1.
No.
Angra, do you have any
No.
question, Angra? Fitri, do you have any question?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Have clear enough? Have been clear enough?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we can continue to a next slide. Okay, for it is a formal invitation letter and it is the common format of invitation letter in here. Okay, I need your help. Please, Yuda. Okay, any question? Any question? Nining, any question?
No, no, no.
No. Okay, Yuda, can you hear me? Are you follow me, Yuda? Yuda, do you follow me? Where is
Yuda is
Yuda?
still praying, Pak.
Okay. Maybe Puput, can you help me to read the text?
I cannot see the text clearly. Would you mind to make it
Okay.
bigger?
Okay.
Sudah Pak.
Have been clear enough?
Okay. Oh my
Wait,
God.
wait.
Yes. Scroll up, please.
Okay.
Okay, enough, sir. Oh my God.
Okay.
It's in difficult font.
Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Pujianto,
Okay.
or ordinarily,
Yeah.
request the
Good.
pleasure of your company on the
Yeah.
wedding
Good.
ceremony of their daughter,
Okay. Good.
Siti with Daddy on Friday.
Daffy.
Okay, Siti with Davy on Friday, the 20th of December
Yeah.
at 7 o'clock in Gedung Kartini, Jalan Gatot
Okay. Very good.
Subroto,
Okay.
Jakarta.
Very good, Puput. Okay.
I cannot read
Okay. It's
the
RSVP.
rest of.
Yani.
Okay. 0212678458. Responding. Sorry.
At
Responding
responding
at
at my.
gmail.com.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Puput. Very good. Thank you, Puput. Very good. Okay, my student in here. Please pay attention. To this format of invitation letter. So it is the component in the formal invitation letter. Yeah, there are name of the house. Second is pricing the invitation and the kind of event, date, time, venue, and special instruction. Request to the response. So it is the kind. It is it is the name of the component or generic structure in the formal invitation letter. Okay, any question about this, my student? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Uh, we can continue to our next activity. Okay. In here, I will tell you about what is your activity. So, you in a group will have three kind of LKPD. The first is LKPD 1, LKPD 2, and LKPD 3. What you should do in LKPD 1? Okay. In this activity, in the activity 2 and LKPD 1, you should work in group. You should determine the grammatical base of formal invitation letter. Jadi, kalian di sini kalian harus mengelompokkan ya struktur komponennya dari formal invitation letter. Okay? You have 10 minutes to finish it. Okay? Any question before you start your work? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have everything clear enough, my student?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. I will give you 10 minutes to finish your work in here. Okay, start from now.
One moment later.
Okay, I think time is off. Okay, now your task, your next task is you should to present about the result of your discussion. In here, I will point it I will mention some maybe not all the group in the class, but maybe two or maybe one or two groups to present about uh, their result of discussion. Okay. For the first, I want to ask
Yes,
Yuda.
sir.
Yuda,
Yes.
do you come from group 1? Yes.
Yes.
Which group? Group 1. Okay, good, Yuda. Okay, Yuda, can you present about your result of your discussion with your friend in the group in the front of the class?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Yuda, time's yours.
Okay, number 1, name of the host,
Yeah.
Balbarati School.
Okay, good. Next.
Number 2, praising the invitation celebrates its special anniversary.
Okay, good.
Number 3, the kind of event, school anniversary.
Okay, good. And number 4,
Number
for kids.
4, 23rd May
Hmm.
2018
Okay, good. Next. What about the time?
at 7 p.m.
Okay. Next, what about the venue?
School auditorium.
Okay,
Sir,
good. What about the number 7, special instruction?
attire,
Special instruction.
batik.
Okay. And number 8, requested response. There are additional response, maybe request to respond.
Respond to Al Ghazali, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Yuda, thank you so much. You have answered all of the question in here correctly. Okay, Yuda. Selamat ya. Congratulations to Yuda.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
maybe from the another group, maybe have another argument, maybe wants to respond about the Yuda's answer. Maybe from Endang, maybe you have another argument, Endang, or another answer, Endang.
No, same with Yuda, sir.
Okay, good, very good. So, how about you, Fitri? Maybe Fitri have a different answer from Yuda and Endang. Fitri?
Jadi, izin ke kamar mandi, sir.
Oh, maybe Anggra. Maybe Anggra, you have another answer.
No, sir. Same as Yuda.
Okay, good, very good. Okay. I think we have finished to do activity 2, so we will move to the next activity, the next LKPD. We'll move to the activity 3. Okay, I will explain what you used to do in activity 3 and LKPD 2. In here, I have give you one group gets one different a scramble sentence about a formal invitation letter. And your task in here is you arrange with a proper order uh, this invitation letter so everyone can come to your celebration. Okay, in here to finish your activity to solve this problem, you have 10 minutes to finish it. Okay, time start from now. Please discuss and work with your friend in your group. Please be active in the group and not just chit chat with your friend and you're not focused. Please be focused and please uh, give your best in your group. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to finish it. Okay, I think time is up. So after you have discussed it is the same like the previous activity. Some of group in this class should uh, present about the result of your discussion. Okay, I will ask group 3. Okay, group 3, Fitri, please explain about, please present and also please perform about your the result of your discussion in activity 3. Okay, Fitri. Fitri, can you hear me? Fitri, can you hear me?
Fitri is still in the bathroom, sir.
Okay. Maybe Puput, can you change Fitri to present in front of the class?
Okay, I have to arrange the
Okay.
sentence into the good, yes, sir. Would you
Yes.
mind to make it bigger?
Okay. Of course, Puput. Is
Okay.
is it clear enough?
Okay. Yes. For the first is you are invited
Hmm.
for celebration at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, good. Next.
Mr. and Mrs. John Sorano are proud to announce their son
Hmm.
will graduate from Christian James
Okay, next.
on Saturday, the 12th day of June.
Sorry, Mr. Andi. It is
Yeah.
other now. Other now.
Okay, Yayan, pardon me. Can you repeat again what you say?
It is other now, Pak.
Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe we can okay.
Adan and I want to go to toilet.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. Oke. Bentar lagi ya kita akan sebentar lagi kita akan selesai kegiatan kita. So, please still in this class. After that maybe we can finish our learning. Okay. Okay, for the activity 3 in here, because of the time, because of the about the limited time, maybe I will give you this activity as your homework. Activity 3 and activity 4. Maybe we can as your homework in here, but in here I will give you the direction how to do this activity. For the activity 3, your task is you will arrange with the proper order so everyone can come to your celebration. It's for activity 3. And for the activity 4 in here, your task is you just make some differences in here about invitation A and invitation B. Okay. Because of the time, you should to determine about the differences in here. Which answer the question in here. I have put 5 answer in here. You should to answer this question so you can know about the differences between the invitation A and invitation B. Ya, jadi kalian di sini kalian harus menjawab pertanyaannya karena waktu kita sudah terbatas ya. Okay, for the next is about our reflection today. Okay, for the class because I just have the limited time in here. I want to ask you about my first question is what we learn today. Okay, Ayan, maybe can you help me to answer this question? What we learned today?
He's still in the toilet, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, what about the Endang?
We learn about invitation letter, sir.
Okay. In the invitation, maybe what kind of the information that you can take from our learning today? Invitation and then Endang, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
structure,
Okay, good.
the
The purpose.
the purpose of
Component.
invitation, formal invitation letter.
Okay, good. Very good, Endang. Okay, very good, Endang. Okay, thank you, Adam, for your answer. And for the second question from me is for the class. What is your problem in our learning today? Yuda, you hear me,
Yes,
Yuda?
sir.
What is your problem in our learning today, Yuda? Maybe you can mention.
There is no problem, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Yuda. Okay, because I was limited time, so I think I want to give some just want to remember all of you in here about our next meeting is still about uh, it's about invitation. Yeah, what is present later, but uh, we will focus in how to write invitation letter. Karena hari ini kita sudah belajar mengenai bagaimana invitation letter itu. So for the next meeting, we will focus in how to write formal invitation letter. Ya, jadi hari ini kita sudah belajar mengenai generic structure, kemudian language feature, kemudian juga tentang tujuan fungsi daripada invitation letter. Jadi for the next meeting, we will focus in how to write or how to make the formal invitation letter with proper order and proper structure. Okay. So because our time is up, so before we finish, before I finish, before I close our learning today, I need your help. The captain of the class, please, Yuda, help me to pray together. Yuda, you hear me, Yuda?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yuda, please lead your friend to pray together. Time's yours, Yuda.
Okay, guys. Let's pray together. Start.
Okay, my student, thank you so much for your attention today. Thank you so much for your full spirit today. Follow my lesson. And my last word is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next meeting.
See you, sir.
See you, sir.